The simplest solution in one connector. Experience super fast speeds, more pixels in 4K, and amazing power delivery with the USB-C to USB-C Thunderbolt 3 cable. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3 and USB 3. 1. It has the power and versatility to transfer data between two USB-C devices, support a 4K display and power a laptop with up to 60 W of charging power, without the need for an additional power cable. Made for USB-C, Thunderbolt 3 devices, 4K, Ultra HD. Package includes USB-C to USB-C Thunderbolt 3 cable, FCC, CE inserts. At a glance. USB-C male to USB-C male connector. Transfer data up to 20 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt certified. Supports 4K, Ultra HD. Top reviews from the United States. Works with my Lenovo ThinkPad docking station with dual monitors. Dog broke my USB-C cable between my Lenovo laptop and Lenovo ThinkPad docking station. I was trying to find a replacement but had a hard time trying to figure out which one would work, so I ordered a couple different ones. The Lenovo PN of the USB cable that I replaced is SC10Q89610.